Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you feel lazy? Do you delay your work again and again? Do you promise yourself, I will start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes? If yes, then this video is for you. Today, you are not just watching a motivational video, you are starting a new life. And at the same time, you are improving your English. So listen carefully, repeat after me, feel every word. What is laziness? Laziness is not just not working. Laziness is avoiding your own potential. Laziness is the enemy of your success. Now listen. Laziness comes from fear, lack of clarity, no strong goal, too much comfort. You are not lazy by birth. You trained your mind to be lazy. And today you will train it to be powerful. Let me tell you the truth. Success is not easy. Success is not comfortable. If you wait to feel motivated, you will fail. Because winners don't wait, they act. Repeat. I take action even when I don't feel like it. Again, action creates motivation. Remember this, motivation comes after action, not before. Your mind says, rest more, do it later, watch one more video, but you must say, start now. Just 5 minutes. I don't need motivation, I need discipline. Repeat, I control my mind. My mind does not control me. Very powerful. Here is a simple trick. The 5-minute rule. When you feel lazy, say, I will do this for only 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Once you start, you will continue because starting is the hardest part. Repeat, I just need to start. If you don't control your day will control you. Successful people follow a routine, simple routine. Wake up early, learn something new, do some physical activity, focus on your main goal, avoid distractions. Repeat, I build strong habits every day. Your biggest enemy is not laziness, it is distraction, social media, endless scrolling, wasting time. Ask yourself, is this helping my future? If the answer is no, stop it. Repeat, I use my time wisely. Why do you want success? For money? For family? For freedom? Your why must be strong. Because when your why is strong, your excuses become weak. Repeat, my dreams are bigger than my excuses. Take responsibility. Stop blaming time, situation, other people. Start saying, it's my responsibility. Repeat, I am responsible for my life. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to improve. 1% better every day. That is enough. Repeat, small progress is still progress. Listen carefully. You have two choices. Stay lazy and regret later. Work now and enjoy later. Which one do you choose? Say it loudly. I choose discipline. I choose success. Most people aren't lazy. They are avoiding failure, looking stupid, starting something they might not finish. Even someone like Elon Musk talks about pushing through uncertainty consistently. Be honest, if I wasn't afraid, what would I do right now? Then do just that one thing. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your environment. If your setup is bed nearby, phone in hand, distractions everywhere, you will lose. Upgrade your environment, clean workspace, specific place for work only. You don't wake up disciplined, you train it. Do small things daily. Wake up at the same time. Finish one task no matter what. Keep promises to yourself. Every time you follow through, you strengthen your identity. Your brain needs proof that you are progressing. Keep a simple log. Walked 20 minutes. Didn't scroll during work. Completed one task. This builds momentum. You don't need 5 hours of focus. Try 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break. Nobody is coming to fix your life. not motivation, not luck, not perfect timing. If you don't move, nothing changes. Now repeat after me. I am focused. I am disciplined. I take action every day. I do not quit. I control my future. Your life is in your hands. Not tomorrow, not next week. Now. Start today, start small, but start. If you like this lesson, watch it again tomorrow because repetition builds power. Stay strong, stay focused. See you in the next video.